My dear friends, welcome back. As you can see, we've progressed in the panel. Um, you see this piece here? This the one holding the flashlights. It's actually a piece I got from. I was walking home one day from the store, and on the side of the street was this piece of furniture and a sign on it that said "free." So I carried it home. I think it was like a shoe holder. But anyways, that one of the little pieces that held these dowels together fit perfectly for these two tactical flashlights. It just happened to fit perfectly the same distance between these two flashlights. Anyways, as you can see, I've got all the pieces together. I used triangle-shaped lumber as a sort of a frame to hold the pieces more solidly. You can see the I glued it here and here, and I'm gonna shoot some brad nails into to secure it. I found this piece here, and it was just sitting in the accessories bin, like with all the oddball screws and bolts. You see this cardboard? This is how I lay these things out. I cut it out of cardboard first, and I keep whittling away until the piece fits just right, and then once it does, I cut it out of the plywood. Here's that piece I was telling you about. It was a piece of furniture. Look at that. It fits perfectly in there. I mean, it was like, when I stuck it in, I was like, that's meant to be. So yeah, I have this piece already cut, but I just wanted to show you guys part of the process, the cardboard templates. If you can see, I'm showing a clip on the lower left hand side, and it's the way it looks at night with the tactical lights on. They're fairly bright lumens. I mean, I think they're like 800 or more, something like that. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for checking this out, and I'll see you guys next time.